ਤੋਂ ਸਵਾਗਤ ਹੈ KCGC TV ਤੇ ਦਰਸ਼ਕੋ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਆਫ ਵੈਟਰਨਰੀ ਤੇ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਸਾਇੰਸਿਸ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰਿੰਸੀਪਲ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਹਰੀਸ਼ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਵਰਮਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਕਰਵਾਉਂਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਵੱਖ-ਵੱਖ ਸੈਮੀਨਾਰਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਨੇ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ ਇਸ ਵਰਕਸ਼ਾਪ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਵਿਸ਼ਾ ਸੀ, ਚਲੋ ਚੱਲ ਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਕਾਲਜ ਵੈਟਰਨਰੀ ਤੇ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਸਾਇੰਸਿਸ।
So when I joined over there in 1989 in PAU, so Dr. Sharma was in Lakeview. He was doing the internship at that time. So we used to go to the field and have a lot of exposure regarding that. And from there he picked up the knack of doing extension, talking to the farmers. Of course, he is from the rural background from Samrala, and he joined later in the university in 1994 as the extension specialist. And then he was after the formation of Guru Angad Dev Veterinary Amritsar University in 2006, he handled a very important project that is NAP, National Agriculture Innovation Project. I think that was of 5 crores at that time. In 2009, 5 crore was too much amount, and first time the university got the so much amount for running a project in only disadvantaged district of Punjab, that is the Hushiyarpur. And within I think 4 years, within a 4 years period, the project, the farmers' income was increased 133% from 12,000 annual to more than 28,000 rupees annually. Yeah, per capita income was increased, and it was well applauded by the World Bank because it was World Bank funded project. And later on he became the director of that regional research training center Talwara. Still he is continuing that, and he is promoting over there the organic, the poultry and the organic milk in the form of goat milk. And because over there the resources are not of that nature available to them, that's why that is the only disadvantaged district of Punjab declared by Government of India. And too much busy with the calls from the farmers. I think he's having more than 50,000 farmers chasing him all the time. Because we work together in the Directorate of Extension Education, I was daily getting irritated because all the phone calls when in a meeting, sir, farmer call hai, main jara ek minute sun ke aa ja. So that was the trend still that is continuing, and lot of veterinarians, even veterinarians complained against him. Written complaint to the Vice Chancellor, he is practicing, but he is not practicing, he is advising. I have seen him, I have worked with him, and I have taught him during the BVSC and MBSc, and really he has progressed very well and well known, and he is simple tidbits, the home remedies, the self-medication, how we can treat the animals. So that's why he is very popular. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੇਸੀ ਟੋਟਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਚੱਲਦੇ ਨੇ, you will come to know during his lecture. So I again welcome him to this very important lecture, and you can have any number of questions, you can have any time, long duration discussion with him. So I invite action. Thank you.
ਲੋਹੜੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਹੈਗੇ ਨੇ, ਰਾਤ ਦੇ 11 ਵਜੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਰਜਾਈ 'ਚ ਬੈਠੇ ਹੋ, ਮੈਚ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਕ੍ਰਿਕਟ ਦਾ, ਫਾਰਮਰ ਦਾ ਫੋਨ ਆ ਗਿਆ ਜੀ, ਬੈੜੀ ਨੂੰ ਅਫਾਰਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ, ਫਟਾਫਟ ਆ ਕੇ ਦੇਖੋ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਸਕਦੇ, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਤਾ, ਪਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਦਿਓਗੇ? ਸਰਦੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਨ ਨੇ, ਰੱਬੀ ਸੀਜ਼ਨ ਹੈਗਾ, ਬਰਸੀਮ, ਸ਼ਤਾਲਾ ਜਾਂ ਲੂਸਣ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕੋਈ ਫਸਲ ਉਹਨੇ ਪਾਈ ਹੋਊਗੀ, ਉਹਦੇ ਲੀਫ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੈਪੋਨਿਨਸ ਨੇ, ਤੇ ਸੈਪੋਨਿਨਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਸਰਫੇਸ ਟੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਉਹ ਵਧ ਗਈ ਆ ਤੇ ਵਾਧਾ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ। ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਐਡਵਾਈਸ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਵੀ ਵੈਜੀਟੇਬਲ ਆਇਲ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ, ਸਰੋਂ ਦਾ ਤੇਲ, ਤਿਲਾਂ ਦਾ ਤੇਲ, ਅਲਸੀ ਦਾ, ਮੂੰਗਫਲੀ ਦਾ, ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਤੇਲ ਦੇ ਦਿਓ, ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਸ਼ੂ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ। ਸੋ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਵਿਜ਼ਿਟ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗੀ, ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇੰਜੋਇਮੈਂਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਸੀਗੇ ਉਹ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊ ਰਹੇਗੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਫਾਰਮਰ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਐਨੀਮਲ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗਾ।
There many problems are not there. So welfare, nutrition. In Kerala, all animals are tied on many intensive farms. But in India, 95% of the farms are between 2.5 to 3 animals. So I am working more towards that community where India is made as a number one milk producer. So we take everything into account. So we ensure. The typical example is help of our gynecology experts. We are addressing reproductive issues. So we have 5 different materials. We say first 20 days window of cycle, estrus cycle, and then 24 window of the estrus signs, and then discharge color from the outside, from the farmer's point of view. So there all madam asked questions will come. If the animal is not properly fed, not having enough nutrient, because through Doppler and other, Satish Kumar, my colleague, we have done lot of work on that. Calcium phosphorus ratio has been done in enormous heifers. So all these things are directly connected to nutrition. So we use radish to take care of the uterine environment for 4 days, followed by aloe vera, which is the immunomodulator and also helps in cleaning the uterine environment in that order.
And I am very fortunate enough to be associated with him before he entered into EVM. About 99, 98 we came across, and then and perhaps he may not recollect, but the first EVM research we did with the meat's foot oil, when he was a professor, he had a meat's foot oil treatment for treating the open wound in rabbits. We published that paper. I don't want to take any credit, but just telling the coincidence. And I am very happy that since then he has dedicated himself to the EVM, being a big pharmacologist also. Everybody used to go into allopathic side, but he is known for his out-of-box thinking. Therefore, now you can see in last 25 years how he has popularized EVM, not only in India but in different parts of the country.
स्टेट्स में पंजाब रैंक्स 29। पंजाब में ऑर्गेनिक प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है, लेकिन एज आई वाज गोइंग थ्रू द डाटा, पंजाब स्टेट गवर्नमेंट हैज़ टेकन अप एन इनिशिएटिव टू प्रमोट ऑर्गेनिक बासमती प्रोडक्शन. फॉर दैट Amritsar district, and in that some Chogawan block or something. Yeah, that block has been developed and identified. In that particular block, Punjab government is now encouraging organic basmati production. And in that block, gradually usage of pesticides is going to be banned over a period of time. So this is a good chance for all of us, because you belong to this particular district, and in this area government has already taken up. Once you produce your आप जब ऑर्गेनिक बासमती प्रोड्यूस करेंगे, उसका जो स्ट्रा होगा, वो जो स्ट्रा आता है, उसको डायरेक्टली यू कैन यूज फॉर योर डेयरी फार्म.